Hey riders! Welcome back to Rider Fusion, your home for the latest and greatest in the motorcycle world. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Yamaha MT-10, the beast that defines the hyper-naked category. Yamaha has fine-tuned this machine to be sharper, meaner, and more powerful than ever. Let's break it down. Design and aesthetics. The 2025 MT-10 stays true to its aggressive Streetfighter DNA, but with refined aerodynamics and sharper LED headlights that give it a more robotic, futuristic look. The new color options and updated bodywork make this bike even more intimidating on the streets. Engine and performance. Under the hood, the MT-10 packs an upgraded 998 cubic centimeters CP4 crossplane engine, borrowed from the legendary Yamaha R1. Yamaha has tweaked the tuning for more low-end torque, making it an absolute thrill machine. With an estimated 165 horsepower, this bike is built to dominate the streets. Technology and features. Yamaha isn't holding back on tech. The 2025 model comes equipped with a new 6-axis IMU, improved traction control, and cornering ABS. Plus, a full-color TFT display with smartphone connectivity keeps you in control. The quick shifter and cruise control make this machine perfect for both city rides and highway cruising. Suspension and handling. With an adjustable KYB suspension and a lightweight aluminum frame, the MT-10 delivers razor-sharp handling. Whether you're carving corners or tearing through city streets, the bike feels planted and responsive. Final thoughts. The 2025 Yamaha MT-10 is a true street fighter, aggressive, powerful, and packed with cutting-edge tech. If you're looking for a hyper-naked that delivers an unmatched riding experience, this is the bike to beat. What do you think of the new MT-10? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss out on the latest from Rider Fusion. Ride safe, and we'll see you in the next one.